Please make sure you have your copy of the assignment Calorimetry, Energy in Fuel and Food. Now last time we were looking at energy in fuel. We measured how much energy there was in each gram of candle paraffin, and we did that by burning a candle under an open calorimeter made from an aluminum can filled with water. Much of the heat is being lost from the can, so we don't really get a chance to measure all of the heat that's exchanged. So we calculate a correction factor that we can apply when we do part 2, measuring how much energy is in food. So take a look at the procedures for part 2. Part 2 procedures are pretty much the same as part 1 procedures. I'll give you a baking cup with a hot flamin' Cheeto in there, and you want to weigh that to begin, and you want to record the starting temperature of your calorimeter. And then when it's time to burn stuff, let me know and I'll come over and I'll fire up your Cheeto. Now make sure that while this is burning, that you keep the foil cup underneath to catch anything that falls, and you want to grip the Cheeto from the top and orient it up and down like that, so that when I light it, the flame will travel upwards through the Cheeto and give a complete combustion reaction. You want to get as much of that material burned as possible, and you want that heat to go right up into the can so that you're catching as much of the heat as you can. Now when you're all done, whatever is left of the Cheeto will be falling down into the baking cup, and so we'll weigh that again to find out how much of the Cheeto actually burned, and then read the ending temperature as well, and we'll use that data to find out how much heat was exchanged between the hot Cheeto and the aluminum can and the water in the calorimeter. That is a flamin' hot.